Okay, well today I'm gonna have to take off the engine cover. I'm gonna have to take off the intake, the battery box, the ECU to get to the fuel pump, which is right down here. So let's get to it. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna take off the intake. Take this little screw out. Unplug the MAV sensor. Take these pins off. Take a screwdriver and unscrew this. Or use a 10mm. That works too. Works probably better, honestly. After loosening it, just pull it right off. You can take this top part off. Take the top part, then the filter. Then you will take this off. Suction cups at the bottom. And then you'll take that off. So, there you go. Now I'm gonna take this plastic cover off the intercooler just to have more room. There you go. Now we're going to take off the battery and the battery box. Here's that. Or actually, I forgot. We should do this. You're gonna have to take off this cover too for the fuel box. And then you're gonna have to take off the circuit fuse, which I think it's this one, but I'm gonna go check. Yeah, it's gonna be this blue one right here at the bottom. So we'll just take off. Once you take off the fuel fuse, you're gonna turn on the car and then let it die. And here's your battery where you're gonna take these two 10mm bolts off. So you'll take off the bracket. Then you'll take the actual battery off. Ground first. And then positive. Then you're gonna take this 10mm bolt off right here. I'm gonna take these two 10mm also. So there's gonna be 3. Unclip these. Take off this cover. That. Unplug these ECU harness. It'll take these two off pretty much when it's in there like this. you're gonna push this down and then pull this white thing up and then pull out. Then it's gonna pull out. Because on the second one I did wrong and pretty much broke the damn thing. So I'm gonna have to get a new clip right there. Yeah. And then yeah, you just pull it up and yeah, it should come off. Now I broke mine, so don't do what I did. It's the very first thing I broke on this car already, just because of not knowing how to do it. Down here too, there's gonna be another clip down here connected to the positive wire. Press down on it. And then take that clip off. And now I'm sure you can take the whole battery box out. Just a little bit of finesse. Okay, there you go. Now you're gonna have to take this off. And that connects to your turbo, and then this. So let's start doing that. Here's the 10 mil. Give you more room. So you're gonna want to take this off. It's gonna have two little clips on both sides. So you push them down and then take that off. Then you're gonna loosen this and then loosen the one back here connecting to the turbo. You're gonna want to take off these 3 clips. 1, 2, 3 down here. Four clips connected to, like, connecting all the wiring together. After you take the 4 clips off, there's gonna be a 10mm bolt down here that connects to the inlet pipe. So now we're gonna have to unclip down here this hose that connects to the bypass valve from the intake. And then now you're gonna take this off and pull. Just gotta pull, but okay, got that off. Got pretty much everything off. Now there's gonna be this little hose right here with a clip right here that you're gonna have to take off. So let's take that off too. Small little hose off, and then took off the one but connected to turbo. So now it should just come off. And here's the inlet pipe. Check for oil residue. Looks pretty clean, because these KO4 stock turbos, they get real dirty. They get and then just looking if I have any shaft play. No shaft play, thank God. Now we're gonna have to take off the screw from the fuel pump and loosen that. Have to get this thing right here and unscrew that, and then over here on this we're gonna have to okay, and then just kind of tuck that out of the way. And then after we're done with that, we're gonna get in here, take these 2 bolts off right here. Bolts off. You're gonna take this off. It's this clip, which there's 2 small ones. You pull the yellow off, you pull it to the side, and then you should pull up. It should just come off like this. Same thing with this, is the blue one, and the yellow and blue. There's gonna be 2 clips in the back. Pull them all up with a flathead, and then you can take them off. I got this universal 6mm from Lowe's to take these off. So now I'll take 3 of them off. There's gonna be 2 at the top and 1 at the bottom. So just trying to wiggle the fuel pump out. It's pretty stuck, so I'm gonna have to, there it is. Just be careful, because there's a rubber seal that you don't want to mess up, or you're gonna have to replace that also. Okay, there it is. Here you guys go. Here's the fuel pump. Okay, so I finally got the fuel pump off right there. From there, it was the hardest thing to do. Literally, it took me like 3-4 hours just to get tools and to finally take it out of there. And then what I did was take this straight from the top and just pulled it off with my fingernails. And yeah, so pretty much you'll put this top, you'll put this on the bottom, slide it up without putting too much pressure so it's all snug, and then you'll put this top piece, and then you'll put these two right there in the middle, and then it should just like all click together. And then I still got this piece to put in, so put that in like this. Just kind of do it slowly. So now we got the fuel pump already. We'll put it back in here real slow like. Just turn it by hand as far as I can turn it. Okay, and then we'll get the socket, deep socket, and just kind of snug it down tight. Okay, that's as tight as it can go. So I'm gonna use my vice grip and then tighten it as like 30 pounds, but I'm just gonna tighten it like as tight as it can go, and then we'll put it back in and put everything back together. So I got the fuel pump in now. Put the coupler in for the HTP intake. So now I just have to tighten it down and then I'll plug it in. Okay, got the intake in. Now I'm just going back here to take off this one right here. I have to take that off, go to the AutoZone and buy extension one, and also one for this right here to connect to this. So we're gonna do that next, but it's pretty much it. While I'm at it, I'm gonna take off the MAV sensor and then put it on the HTP intake. Take the MAV sensor on, you have to align it pretty good and tighten them real tight so there's no air coming out of here. So now let's go plug that in. Halfway there. Finally got it started. Sorry guys, I tried to film more of it, but I really needed my car to be fixed today, so I had to skip a lot of things of like installing everything back in. So I just got it started. It's nighttime now. Right now it's looking good. Let me show you. It's looking good. I'm running a bit rich at 18.6. I need to be at 14 point something. Idle is fine. It's idling at 430, so everything seems fine. I'm gonna go test drive the car right now and see if anything bad or weird pops up. I just scared a little bit about being rich, but you can hear the turbo for sure. I took it for a little test drive around the block, and I got cell lights for the MAV sensor, and one of my friends told me is that for the 3-inch intake I need a MAV calibrate, or I need to get a custom tune. So I had to take off the intake and put everything back to stock because I don't have the knowledge to calibrate my MAV sensor. So I'm just gonna buy a base map and go from there. So I hope you guys liked the video. It was pretty hard to get the fuel pump out, but whatever, I've got it done. Sucks that I couldn't put my intake on, but I'll get it installed next video. Hope you guys enjoy. My next video is gonna be off the chain, so hope you guys leave a like and comment down below. Later, peace.